exist around the place. I've been coming to Turkey for about 2 years now, and one of the things that gives me a great optimism in the improvement in safety performance is when I have sat across many chief executives here in Turkey who say, well, that the owners of the business they work for, and I'm talking about the big guys here in town, look at them across the table and say, now you understand, we will not have a SOMA in our company. Now that may not be every company, but I've heard that comment from enough senior executives being told by the shareholder that this is not the sort of safety performance that will be accepted in their company. And I think that is very, very encouraging, and I think that leadership is also very critical. Anyway, on with Rob's presentation. The background in between 1854 and 1912, as I said, that was Act and Regulations that